Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable access to the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the procedure is through the registry editor. So search for registry in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor tool. In the registry editor tool, we need to go to this key, H key local machine, software, policies and Microsoft. Now in the right pane we will create a new key. Right click on this, select new key, name it Windows Store, hit enter. Now in the right pane we will create a dword 32-bit entry, remove Windows Store. Right click, new dword 32-bit entry, remove Windows Store, double click on it. So the value data is 0, okay, and this means that this is disabled. Remove Windows Store is disabled, means Windows Store will exist. But if I make it 1 and enable it and click on OK, this means Windows Store has been disabled. Now I will not be able to access the Windows Store, right? Because remove Windows Store, this entry is enabled. It means Windows Store will be removed. And obviously you have to restart your computer after that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.